You know, Pakistan is the name of peace. Pakistan is the name of soul satisfaction. Pakistan is the name of dedication. Pakistan is the name of sacrifices. Pakistan is the name of calmness. This day reminds us all of them. So now I'm going to call a student from 9th class to tell us the reality of independence. So his name is Muhammad Ikrama from 9th class.
It's such a great honor for me to stand here and talk about the reality of the Independence Day. First of all, I would like to thank my beloved principal and honorable teachers. Those let me express my feelings about independence of my country. Dear listeners, friends and classmates, we all have gathered on this auspicious occasion to celebrate independence of our country. Before I proceed with my speech, I want to clarify the term of independence. What is independence? Some of you may think it is freedom from anti-Muslim forces. Some of you may think it is the day of dancing. Some of you may think it is the day to expound Trump. And some of you may think it is the day of freedom to do anything. But in reality, independence is a much more broad term. It not only includes independence from oppressive forces, but also equals opportunities for every citizen to groom their personality. Without any doubt, independence is a gift. For this gift, we must be thankful to Allah Almighty and our forefathers and Muslim League leaders. Dear friend, when we discuss about Independence Day, we must shed some light on the hard work, commitment and struggle of our leaders and forefathers to ensure a separate homeland during the 1947 migration. Thousands lost their lives in the pursuit of living independently. Dear friends, we must be thankful to our forefathers that because of their sacrifices, we are living in peace. We don't have to go through what they experienced sitting on the chairs or delivering speeches on the stage about Independence Day. On the stage won't encapsulate how many sacrifices they succeeded to get Pakistan. So when we celebrate 14th of August, do not forget what our forefathers did as well. Respected audience, when we look at the current condition of Pakistan is in, patriot like me gets hurt. We have deviated from Allama Iqbal showed to us Pakistan is not much respected internationally. Many of us think as a terrorist harboring country with an unstable economy, Pakistan has the potential to be one of the biggest economy due to its geostrategic position. Now it's our job to make Pakistan a better country, and we have to follow the guidelines of our scholars to make our beloved Pakistan an advanced country. I believe that by molding our immoral characters into morals, we can do this. May Pakistan live long.